Hello everyone. Today, we are in a situation where we are having breakfast. Before starting our conversation, let's briefly look at some useful Korean grammar. First, we'll learn about the nuanced difference between the topic markers, un, and e. Second, we'll explore the difference between ne yo and yo, which are commonly used expressions among Koreans. Let's first learn about the e marker. This marker is used to simply state a fact as it is. On the other hand, the un marker implies a hidden meaning. Let's look at the following example sentence.
음식이 맛있어요. 음식이 맛있어요.
This food is delicious.
음식은 맛있어요. 음식은 맛있어요.
This food is delicious but expensive. Do you understand the difference in nuance?
얼굴이 예뻐요. 얼굴이 예뻐요.
Your face is beautiful.
얼굴은 예뻐요. 얼굴은 예뻐요.
Your face is beautiful but unkind. The verb ending ne yo in Korean includes the meaning of seeking agreement from the other person. Therefore, if the situation is negative, it can be considered a more polite expression. If the situation is positive, the two sentences have the same meaning.
음식이 맛있어요. 음식이 맛있네요.
The two sentences have the same meaning. Negative situation.
옷이 비싸요.
Since expressing one's own subjective opinion can be seen as impolite or blunt to the listener.
옷이 비싸네요.
The verb endings like ne yo in Korean, which include the meaning of asking for the other person's opinion, can be considered a more polite expression. Did you sleep well last night?
어젯밤 잘 잤어요? 어젯밤 잘 잤어요?
Related words.
오늘 밤,
Tonight.
내일 밤,
Tomorrow night. Yes, I did.
얘 잘 잤어요. 얘 잘 잤어요.
But I feel a little tired.
그런데 조금 피곤하네요. 그런데 조금 피곤하네요.
Speaking usage rate.
피곤해요. 피곤하네요.
Please have breakfast.
아침 식사하세요. 아침 식사하세요.
Most Koreans don't use the object particle when speaking, so there are few people who would say a sentence like the following.
아침 식사를 하세요. 아침 식사를 하세요.
Come here please.
이쪽으로 오세요. 이쪽으로 오세요. 이쪽으로. 여기로.
Please sit here.
여기에 앉으세요. 여기에 앉으세요.
Let's take a look at some examples. I'm in the room.
저는 방에 있어요.
The book on the table.
그 책은 테이블 위에 있어요.
He will arrive at the airport.
공항에 도착할 거예요.
He will come at 9 o'clock.
그는 9시에 올 거야.
Yes, thank you.
예, 감사합니다. 예, 감사합니다.
The menu is kimchi stew, egg roll and galbi.
메뉴는 김치찌개, 계란말이 그리고 갈비예요. 메뉴는 김치찌개, 계란말이 그리고 갈비예요.
Since a be verb is used and there is no final consonant, the selected particle that appears on the screen as the final marker is the topic marker. I will enjoy it.
잘 먹을게요. 잘 먹을게요.
Combining the verb stem of a verb with a final consonant with the following sentence creates the meaning of I will in English.
을게요. 을게요.
Everything looks delicious.
모두 맛있어 보이네요. 모두 맛있어 보이네요.
보여요. 보이네요.
Since it is a positive situation, the two expressions have the same meaning. Please enjoy your meal.
어서 드세요. 어서 드세요.
The following expression is rarely used to express to eat politely.
먹어요. 먹어요.
Is the food to your liking?
입에 맞아요. 입에 맞아요.
This shirt suitable for me?
이 셔츠는 몸에 맞아요. 이 셔츠는 몸에 맞아요.
The food is delicious.
음식이 맛있어요. 음식이 맛있어요.
The following sentence uses the topic marker.
음식이 맛은 있어요.
This food is delicious but all the food is spicy. Do you understand the nuance of these two sentences? Don't worry if you don't understand it yet. This sentence will continue to appear in the lecture going forward. But it's a little spicy.
그런데 약간 매워요. 그런데 약간 매워요.
Related words.
짜요.
Salty,
쉬어요.
sour,
달아요.
sweet. Give me some water, please.
물 좀 주세요. 물 좀 주세요.
Combining the verb stem with the following expression creates a polite form, which in English takes the form of adding, please.
세요. 주다.
Give.
주세요.
Give please. Here it is.
여기 있어요. 여기 있어요.
In Korean, prepositions are often omitted after demonstrative pronouns such as
여기, 저기. 여기에 있어요. 여기 있어요.
thank you.
고맙습니다. 고맙습니다.
Frequency of usage among Koreans.
감사합니다. 고맙습니다. 고마워요.
Korean food tends to be a little spicy.
한국 음식은 좀 매운 편이에요. 한국 음식은 좀 매운 편이에요.
There is no hidden meaning in this sentence, since a somewhat negative opinion of spiciness has already been expressed through the use of the word. The expression tend to is frequently used by Koreans. I enjoyed the meal.
맛있게 잘 먹었어요. 맛있게 잘 먹었어요.
To eat.
먹다. 얻어요. 먹었어요.
You're welcome.
별 말씀을요. 별 말씀을요.
I'm glad to hear that.
저도 기뻐요. 저도 기뻐요. 좋아요. 기뻐요. 기쁘네요.